सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Without having what you call as mind and living your life is what I call living enlightenment. That is the essence. Realizing mind is only one part of your action, mind is only one part of your brain, and living without that part or living independent of that part. When you want, you can switch it on and use. When you don't want, you can switch it off and relax. Living independent of that part is what I call living enlightenment. If your mind is part of your brain and you have a courage, clarity to switch it off when needed, switch it on when required, it is your slave. It is under your control. If it is otherwise, if it is an industry, then please understand, you are slave to it. These are some of the important truths, I can say essence. Patanjali is not telling stories. He is not giving you anecdotes. He is not giving you jokes. He is not wasting by telling examples. He is very straight. He is very straight, delivering the truth immediately. In the first sutra, he has delivered the whole book. Now whatever he is saying, it's only going to be different methods. In this one sutra, if you realize, if you understand this one sutra, if click happens with this one sutra, you don't need further. You don't need anything else. Just this one sutra is enough. Sit, understand. Mind is an action, my own action. I can stop. All right, let me start. I think I am done with the whole day. Let me relax. If you can have this awareness, if you can just have this one awareness, nothing else, whenever action is performed, you wanted it. Whenever you want, silence can be created. This one understanding, if it clicks, please understand, if it clicks, you don't need anything further. You are qualified for yoga. These two sutras, first sutra, Ata Yoganusasanam. Now let us enter into the experience of yoga. And second sutra, yoga is cessation of the mind. These two sutras need to be understood. If this second sutra gives you the click, you are qualified for yoga. If you are qualified for yoga, the second sutra will give you the click. If you have objections, no, I don't think it is so easy. I have tried this, I have tried that, I have tried many methods. I know it is not that easy. My mind is filled with negativity. May not be your mind, Swamiji. You are born and brought up in a very spiritual situation. You don't know about my mind. You can always complain. Any situation it can be. You can start complaining. You can accept and enjoy any situation. It is just our idea. It is just our idea. We always think others did not have this problem. Only I had this problem. So we create an idea. I had this, I had that. I did not have this when I was young. I did not have that when I was young. Constantly judging. There is no scale. there is no scale. The moment you start putting scale, start putting ideas, start saying, no, this is there, that is there, this was there, that was there, stopping the mind is not that easy, then now you need to read further. Now you need to read further. Very rare, devoted beings straight away get the click the moment truth is uttered in its pure form. See, in the world, 33% of the people will have straight away the click when the truth is uttered. Other 33 needs a technique or little convincing. Other 33 will never get it. Now, from my experience, I tell you, I'm traveling all over the world. First 33, they need to be told, that's all. They are ready. The deep devotion, with the deep restful awareness, they are ready. They just get it. And something clicks inside them. Yes, what he says is right. So for that 33%, your Yoga Sutra session is over. Relax. Your session is over. Now live, that's all. Remember this one click. Mind is not a thing. It is an action, subtle action. It is your very own subtle action. When you want, you can do it. When you don't want, you can stop it. Mind is one action of your brain. So when you want, you can do it using the brain. When you don't want, you can relax it. That's all. You don't need anything more. If you are second 33, need little convincing, need little logical support, need some techniques, then let's enter into the next sutra. If you are third, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. It's an amazing book, very beautifully. Patanjali takes you to the deeper and deeper layers. He's a great master. I can say ultimate master. He has solution even for the third 33. When you go deeper, he has solution.